Hi students, in this video I am explaining how to get pass easily or score 29 marks out of 70 marks easily in the coming second PUC annual examination to be conducted in May-June 2021 in Karnataka state. In this video I took some selected topics from the subject chemistry and I'm taking the most expected questions from those selected topics as per the reduced syllabus given by the board. So let us start first with some topics from the physical chemistry. The first topic is the solid state, and from this topic, the solid state, we can easily score 5 marks, and the rule given for framing the question paper is question number 27A. The rule is a question for 3 marks to calculate the packing efficiency. So the first one we can easily score 3 marks, and the question will be based on the calculation of packing efficiency. And we all of you know the packing efficiency in the case of solid state we are having for the 3 types of structures: cubic structures, simple cube, body centered cube, and face centered cube. So if you make these 3 perfect, we can easily score 3 marks from this calculation of packing efficiency. The second one, 27B, the rule given here is a problem on equation for density. We know the formula for density, D is equal to Z into M by A cube into Na. So based on this formula, we get a problem, and it can be the calculation of any parameter. So they may ask calculation of like density or number of atoms or edge length or even volume. So any parameter calculation, but most of the time till now they asked only the calculation of density. The second one in 27B, they may ask calculate the number of particles per unit cell for 2 marks. So if you take total marks here now, 3 marks for packing efficiency and 2 marks, it can be a problem based on density, or we can take number of particles calculation per unit cell of simple cube, BCC and FCC for 2 marks. So we can easily get 5 marks from the topic solid state. The second topic is solutions, and from the solutions topic we can score easily 3 marks. And here the rule is question number 28A to be a numerical problem of 3 marks based on the colligative properties. Okay, we already know, right? In solutions we got 4 colligative properties: RLVP, relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression freezing point, and osmotic pressure. So if we know the formula for these 4 colligative properties, we can easily solve a problem based on the colligative properties, and most of the time they asked calculation of molar mass by using these 4 colligative properties. So from solutions also you can get easily 3 marks if we solve a numerical based on these. The next one is electrochemistry, and electrochemistry question will be 29th question will be from electrochemistry. In 29A, it's mentioned a numerical problem of 3 marks to be asked. And if we take numerical problem from this topic electrochemistry, as per the reduced syllabus, we were having only the calculation of EMF by using Nernst equation. That's the first formula. The second one is calculation of equilibrium constant, they may ask, or they may ask calculation of standard Gibbs free energy or Gibbs energy change delta G naught by using E naught of cell. So based on these 3 formulae, we can expect one problem based of 3 marks. So from this topic also you can easily score 3 marks. The next one, after electrochemistry, we are having chemical kinetics. So from this topic we can expect 5 marks very easily. The first one, question number 30A, a numerical problem of 3 marks or a derivation of rate constant for the 0 order or first order reaction. Right, most of the time in the previous year question papers, if we see, it becomes clear that a derivation is like compulsory. They may ask derivation of rate constant for a 0 order or first order reaction. If there is no question on derivation, no, they may ask a numerical problem of for 3 marks based on the rate constant, but most of the time they ask derivation only. So we can expect a derivation for 3 marks, derivation of rate constant, for a zero order or first order reaction. But as per the reduced syllabus this year, from chemical kinetics topic, Arrhenius equation is deleted, so we don't expect any problem based on that. So if we take that deleted portion, and we can conclude one thing, there must be a problem based on half-life period, and we can take problems based on the rate constant of a zero and first order reaction, minimum of 2 marks. So we can take a derivation and then problems based on half-life period and the rate constant. So one can easily get 5 marks from the topic chemical kinetics. The next one, after this we are having chemical kinetics. The next I took from inorganic chemistry, the p block elements. The p block elements, so we can expect 3 marks from this topic easily. The question numbers 19, 20 and 21 will be from p block elements, and out of these 3 questions, one may have one question on manufacture or preparation for 3 marks, and we got preparation of HNO3, the first one, and NH3. As per the reduced syllabus, we were having one more preparation of H2SO4 sulfuric acid by taking contact process, but that's deleted for this year. So we're having only 2 manufacturing now: manufacture of HNO3 by taking Ostwald process, and manufacture of NH3 by taking Haber's process. Okay, this is for 3 marks. If they don't ask manufacture, they may ask the second possibility here, manufacture and properties of sulfur dioxide. So this is the part where most of the students neglect by thinking we'll get definite question for the preparation of HNO3 or NH3, but remember, as per the rule, they may even ask preparation or properties of sulfur dioxide also. Right, next one. From this topic, one more very important one we can expect is anomalous properties of nitrogen, oxygen and chlorine. So they may ask properties, or they may ask the reasons for anomalous behavior. And as I said earlier, sulfur dioxide most of us don't concentrate, so I added the preparation and properties in the coming slides. The first one, you can see the preparations and properties, very simple one for sulfur dioxide. The first preparation of sulfur dioxide is by taking burning of sulfur. Sulfur is burnt in air or oxygen, produces sulfur dioxide. This is the first way of getting SO2. The second method is laboratory method. And laboratory method, we can take preparation by using sulfite salt, SO3 2-, and treatment with dilute sulfuric acid. So it produces sulfur dioxide. This is the laboratory method. And the third one, we got industrial method of preparation of SO2 is by taking roasting of sulfide ores. So you can see the reaction here, FeS2 11O2 giving ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide. So this is an industrial method of preparation of sulfur dioxide. So you got only 3 preparations of sulfur dioxide. We can expect any one if they don't ask manufacture of HNO3 or NH3. The next one is the properties now. And in properties, you can see very few reactions here also. The first is sulfur dioxide passing through water, it produces an acid, H2SO3. Sulfurous acid is produced, and that's the first reaction. Second one, we are having SO2, sulfur dioxide, treatment with alkali, sodium hydroxide. It gives sodium sulfide and water, which upon further reacts with sulfur dioxide to produce NaHSO3 called sodium hydrogen sulfide or sodium bisulfide. So this is the reaction of SO2 with alkali sulfur dioxide. The next one, the next properties we are having is a reaction with chlorine. Sulfur dioxide reacts with chlorine to produce SO2Cl2 called sulfuryl chloride. The second one is sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen, produces sulfur trioxide in the presence of a catalyst here, vanadium oxide, V2O5. So these are the reactions, and the last set of reactions in sulfur dioxide is they are redox reactions mentioned here. Fe3 plus is converted into Fe2 plus. Now we can take this as the gain of electrons. So Fe3 plus is undergoing reduction to form Fe2 plus, and in this reduction SO2 is helping So we can call this as a reducing agent. So sulfur dioxide is a reducing agent in the first as well as second reaction also. If we see the second one is a conversion of MnO4 minus permanganate into Mn2 plus. So this is also we can take like reduction, and in this reduction SO2 is helping, so we can take SO2 as a reducing agent. So the two redox reactions, so this completes the properties of sulfur dioxide. So we can expect manufacture of HNO3 or NH3, or if they don't ask that, you can expect any one question from these preparation or properties of sulfur dioxide. Next topic is coordination compounds. Here also you can get easily 3 marks. All of you already aware of this. Question number 24, 25 and 26. One question must be on valence bond theory. On coordination compounds, one question on VBT to account for the formation of complexes. And if we take complex formation there, we need to account for electronic configuration, type of hybridization, geometry and magnetic property of the 4 complex ions. And among the 4 complex ions, we got 2 cobalt complexes and 2 nickel complexes. So if you make these 4 complexes perfect, you can get at least 3 marks from this bit valence bond theory. It can be question number 24, 25 or 26. Now, as per the reduced syllabus, from the coordination compounds, one major bit is deleted, that is isomerism. We used to get at least one question based on isomerism in the recent or you can take past question papers, but now it is deleted. So one question we can expect with certainty that we may get a question based on postulates of Werner's theory. It can be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks based on how many postulates they're expecting. So this is again very important one for the examination point of view. So I took only 3 marks from this topic because I took only the questions with like 100% certainty. So I took only 3 marks. The Werner's theory also having like it's a most probable question for this year. Then after the coordination compounds, you can take organic chemistry. The first part in this is mechanisms. So if we take mechanism, 5 marks we can expect easily. The rule given here must include a mechanism, SN1 or SN2, dehydration of ethanol to ethene, and addition of HCN to aldehydes or ketones. Worth 3 marks. But if you see the previous year question papers, again one thing becomes clear. We did not get one mechanism. They used to ask 2 mechanisms out of these 4, and one will be for 2 marks and other of 3 marks. So totally 5 marks we can expect based on these 4 mechanisms. But the rule says, let me continue here, and may include a second mechanism from the remaining mechanisms given in the prescribed textbook, right? So it means the remaining mechanisms in this or can take the textbook we're having is, one is acid catalyzed hydration, the second one is dehydration of alcohols to form ethers. But till now they did not ask mechanism based on these 2 mechanisms. So we can expect out of the 4, SN1, SN2, dehydration of ethanol to ethene and addition of HCN, we expect 2 mechanisms from this of 5 marks. The second part here may have 4 named reactions, 2 names directly of 2 marks each. So if you see the named reactions, so from the organic chemistry topics, we got many named reactions. We can't tell with a certainty you'll get these named reactions only. So I did not take this point, only I took mechanisms, that's all, 5 marks. Okay, the next one and the last topic here is biomolecules. So biomolecules topic, we can easily get 2 marks here. One question will be on Hayward structures of, as per the deleted or reduced syllabus, there are no disaccharides, polysaccharides in the carbohydrates from the topic biomolecules. We're having only monosaccharides. And if we take Hayward structures for the monosaccharides, we got glucose and fructose. In glucose, we got 2 anomeric structures, alpha D plus glucopyranose, beta D plus glucopyranose, alpha D minus fructofuranose, and beta D minus fructofuranose. So one can expect at least one Harvard structure out of these 4 structures. So that's of 2 marks. And what I think, the student better to do this topic completely, as the major portion is deleted from this topic. You can see the disaccharide deleted, polysaccharides, no enzymes, no vitamins, and no hormones. So the only remaining part is in carbohydrates we got monosaccharide, structure elucidation of glucose. Then we'll be having amino acids, proteins, and nucleic acids. So one can easily get the 6 marks allotted for this topic if he or she completes the topic. So it's better to make this topic perfect, and it's easy also because the students learns this topic even in the biology also, right? So but I took only again 2 marks only based on the Harvard structure, which is with 100% certainty. The next one, just this is the total what I took actually. Okay, I selected few topics. You can see solid state 5 marks, solutions 3 marks, electrochemistry 3, chemical kinetics 5, p block elements 3, coordination compounds 3, mechanisms 5, and the biomolecules 2. So if we add all, we're getting 29 marks. So if not 29 also, we can tell like at least 25 out of 70 marks you'll get with 100% here. There's no doubt in getting 25 marks at least if you make these bits perfect, right? So that's regarding the today's video. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.